my dollars, make it hurt.
Welcome to the Maestro Sersea podcast, where English learners worldwide learn American English. Hi, I'm Maestro Sersea, and I'm happy to share this podcast with you. I have been teaching English to English learners in Southern California, United States of America, for over 30 years. I have published a variety of educational books for English learners on Amazon. I offer Zoom webinars, conversation practice, online courses, and online English learning resources. With your investment of time, positivity, hard work, and determination, you too can become more fluent in American English. This podcast will help you improve your American English comprehension and communication skills. Welcome aboard. Welcome to episode 12 of the Learn American English with Maestro Sersea podcast. Our 12th podcast episode focuses on improving American English vocabulary and reading skills. Today, we will share Dolch Sight Words Pre-Kindergarten Part 4 of 4 lesson. The Dolch Sight Words list is a compilation of 220 words divided into 5 levels, considered the most frequently used English words, and includes pre-kindergarten, kindergarten, first grade, second grade, and third grade words. Each of the 5 sublists includes 40 to 75 words. Edward William Dolch compiled these words in the 1930s and 1940s and are often used to teach students how to read. The words are categorized by grade level, starting at pre-primer and progressing through grade 3. The words are divided into 2 categories: service words, which include pronouns, conjunctions, and articles, and content words, which include nouns, verbs, and adjectives. The Dolch sight words are often used to assess a student's reading ability and help teach students to become more fluent readers. These words account for 50 to 75% of all words used in reading and writing. Today's lesson is compliments of our American English vocabulary website at www.americanenglishvocabulary.com. Are you ready to begin? Okay, let's get started.
English learners, do you need to improve your American English vocabulary? We have a great educational website for you: www.americanenglishvocabulary.com. Our website features thousands of American English sight words and general vocabulary, complete with quizzes and audio and video recordings to help you improve your pronunciation and comprehension. Please visit www.americanenglishvocabulary.com.
Hello students, this is Maestro Elvis, and today we're going to focus on pre-kindergarten Dolch sight words part 4 of 4 lesson. Hopefully you have already completed your pre-kindergarten Dolch sight words part 3 of 4 quiz and earned at least a 7 out of 10 on that quiz. If you haven't, I strongly encourage you to go back to the part 3 of 4 lesson and retake that quiz until you earn at least 7 out of 10 correct. Okay, let's continue. Suggestions for learning. Please define each word using an English dictionary, such as dictionary.com. And if you're an English learner, please translate each word and sentence in your language via translate.google.com. Also, it's very important to review each of these lesson videos a minimum of 2 or 3 times and try to read each word and sentence along, because we want to improve your pronunciation and communication skills as well. Thank you. Here is the full list of pre-kindergarten Dolch sight words with part 4 of 4 in bold. Repeat after me. A, and, away, big, blue, can, come, down, find, for, funny, go, help, here, I, in, is, it, jump, little, look, make, me, my, not, one, play, read, run, said, see, the, 3, 2, up, we, where, yellow, and you. And again, for part 4 of 4, these are the 10 words we're going to focus on today. See, repeat after me, see, the, 3, 2, up, we, where, yellow, and you. Here are some sample translations via Google Translate, and these translations are for the Romance languages, the 5 Romance languages, including Spanish, Portuguese, Italian, Romanian, and French. And again, these are for the words see, the, 3, 2, up, we, where, yellow, and you. If your language is enlisted here, if your primary language is enlisted here, use translate.google.com to translate these words in your primary language. And now we begin. Here's the first word. See. Repeat after me. See. Can you see the moon? Did you see the rainbow? I want to see Paris, France. See. The. Repeat after me. The. Give me the ball. The teacher was happy. She went to the store. The. 3. Repeat after me. 3. Number 3 follows number 2. I have 3 good friends. The 3 policemen stopped the car. 3. 2. Repeat after me. 2. I go to the store. She will go to the park. He wants to go shopping. To. Two. Repeat after me. Two. Number 2 follows number 1. A group of 2 is a couple. There are 2 candies here. 2. Up. Repeat after me. Up. Look up at the sky. Let's go up the stairs. She climbed up on the chair. Up. Next word is we. Repeat after me. We. We are here. We need to learn English. We study well together. We. Where. Repeat after me. Where. Where do you live? I know where to, let's say it again. I know where you will go. Let us meet where you want. Where. Yellow. She loves the color yellow. Yellow tulips are her favorite flowers. The leaves turn yellow in autumn. Yellow. And here's the last word. You. Repeat after me. You. You are a student. She needs you to call her. I will give you money. You. So this is the end of the pre-kindergarten Dolch sight words part 4 of 4 lesson. Please review this video 2 or 3 times at least. Please, if you're an English learner, translate all the sentences and the words in your primary language. But everyone, regardless whether you're an English learner or you grew up with English as your primary language, you need to look in the dictionary.com website and define each of these words. So, after you study these words 2 or 3 times at least, and you feel ready to take the test, we're going to take the pre-kindergarten Dolch sight words part 4 of 4 quiz. And I expect you to score 7 out of 10 or higher. Okay? So study hard.
English learners, did you know that Maestro Sersea offers a monthly membership for building listening comprehension and communication skills in American English? The Silver Monthly membership helps American English learners improve their English comprehension, conversation skills, and pronunciation. It includes 3 to 4 one-hour audio-video webinars via Zoom with Maestro Sersea each month. Participants also can request and receive Zoom recordings for the webinars they missed or participated in for further practice. To learn more about the upcoming webinars we offer via Zoom, please visit our website, American English Webinars, at www.englishwebinars.com.
Have you visited our website, www.booksforesl.com yet? Books for ESL is a website where English learners worldwide improve their American English skills via helpful books, articles, and resources in the English language. At Books for ESL, we are passionate about supporting English learners in their journey to master the English language. We understand the challenges and frustrations of learning a new language, so we have carefully curated a collection of books and articles specifically designed to facilitate effective English learning. As former ESL students, we have experienced firsthand the transformative power of literature in mastering a foreign language. Diving into captivating stories, engaging exercises, and practical guides allowed us to develop our vocabulary, grammar skills, and overall fluency. Thus, our mission is to provide English learners with accessible and valuable resources that will enhance their linguistic abilities and ignite their love for reading. Created by an American English teacher based in California, USA, this educational website is geared towards English learners who are serious about learning and improving their English skills. Here you will access various helpful articles for learning English, ebooks, and physical books for increasing English skills and fluency. Visit www.booksforesl.com today.
These my dollars make it hurt.
Thank you for being part of this week's podcast with Maestro Sersea, where English learners worldwide learn American English. I will return with another educational podcast for American English learners in 3 or 4 days. Until then, feel free to visit my official website at www.maestrosersea.com. That's www.maestrosersea.com. Thank you.